Welcome back to Trendy Reviews, your ultimate source for the latest and greatest in tech reviews. If you're a gamer looking to elevate your gaming experience in 2024, you've come to the right place. Today we're diving into the top 5 best CPUs for gaming. Whether you're building a new rig or upgrading your current setup, these powerhouse processors will ensure you get the most out of your games, delivering unparalleled performance, speed and graphics. So buckle up, and let's explore the cutting-edge CPUs that will take your gaming to the next level this year. For more information and update pricing, check the links in the description below, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates. Let's get started. Presented by Trendy Reviews. Number 5, AMD Ryzen 5 8600G. Hey tech enthusiasts, today we're diving into the AMD Ryzen 8600G, a powerhouse that's shaking up the mid-range market. This processor boasts a hexacore architecture with 12 threads, delivering impressive multitasking performance and smooth handling of demanding applications. What sets the 8600G apart is its integrated VGA graphics, providing surprisingly robust gaming capabilities without needing a dedicated GPU. Whether you're editing videos, streaming, or diving into the latest games, this chip manages to deliver excellent performance with the efficiency, plus its overclocking potential lets you push the boundaries for even more power. All in all, the Ryzen 8600G offers fantastic value, balancing performance and price in a way that's perfect for gamers and creators alike. If you're building a new rig or upgrading your current setup, this CPU is definitely worth considering. Number 4, AMD Ryzen 57600X. Today we're diving into the AMD Ryzen 5 7600X, a true game changer in the mid-range CPU market. This 6-core 12-thread powerhouse delivers exceptional performance with its Zen 4 architecture, making it a top choice for gamers and content creators alike. Clocking in at a base speed of 4.7 GHz and boosting up to 5.3 GHz, the 7600X handles demanding tasks with ease, providing smooth and responsive multitasking. Its support for DDR5 memory and SI 5.0 future-proofs your system, ensuring you're ready for the next generation of high-speed components. What sets this chip apart is its impressive energy efficiency and thermal performance, thanks to AMD's cutting-edge 5nm process technology. Whether you're pushing the limits with AAA games or streaming your latest creations, the Ryzen 57600X offers unparalleled value and performance in its class. Number 3, Intel Core i5-13400F. The Intel Core i5 13400F stands out as a powerhouse in the mid-range processor market, delivering impressive performance and value for gamers and content creators alike. Featuring 10 cores and 16 threads, this 13th gen CPU strikes a perfect balance between multitasking capability and single-thread efficiency, making it an excellent choice for a variety of demanding applications. The absence of integrated graphics in the F variant means it pairs best with a dedicated GPU, ensuring optimal performance for gaming rigs and professional workstations. With a base clock speed of 2.5 GHz and a turbo boost of up to 4.4 GHz, the i5-134F handles modern gaming and heavy workloads with ease. Its competitive pricing and robust architecture make it a standout choice for those looking to build a cost-effective yet powerful system. Number 2, Intel Core i5-12400F. In today's review we delve into the impressive performance of the Intel Core i5-124F, a budget-friendly powerhouse that delivers exceptional value for both gamers and content creators. This 6-core 12-thread processor built on the Alder Lake architecture stands out with its efficiency and speed, making it a strong contender in the mid-range market. It handles multitasking with ease, offering a significant performance boost over its predecessors thanks to its improved IPC and higher clock speeds. Despite lacking integrated graphics, the i5-124F compensates with its stellar computational capabilities, making it ideal for pairing with a dedicated GPU. Whether you're editing videos, streaming, or engaging in intensive gaming sessions, this processor proves to be a reliable workhorse, ensuring smooth and responsive performance across the board. Plus, its compatibility with the latest DDR5 memory and PCI 5.0 support future-proofs your setup, making the Intel Core i5-124F a smart and robust choice for those looking to balance cost and capability in their next PC build. Number 1, AMD Ryzen 77800X 3D. The AMD Ryzen 7 7800X3D is an impressive powerhouse redefining high-performance computing with its innovative 3D cache technology. Boasting 8 cores and 16 threads, it delivers exceptional multi-threaded performance, making it ideal for both gaming and productivity tasks. The 3D cache significantly enhances cache capacity, resulting in remarkable speed and efficiency improvements. Particularly in data-intensive applications and gaming scenarios, its energy efficiency and thermal performance are commendable, allowing for sustained peak performance without excessive heat generation. The Ryzen 77800X3D sets a new standard in the enthusiast CPU market, offering a perfect blend of cutting-edge technology, superior performance, and excellent value for both gamers and content creators alike. The most recent and biggest tech. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and advice. Also, if you have any questions or suggestions for products you'd like us to review, please leave a comment below. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to remain updated, and see you in the next video. Foreign.